So obviously we go to File and we go to New Window. And what this does is it creates a new Python window, except this window is different from the original Python shell. So what I'm going to do is I'll type in print hello world, and then exclamation mark. So to save our program, we go to File, we go to Save. So I'll go to Desktop, and then as you can see, it says Python files, and it says .py and .pyw. So I'm going to save it as and we're just going to click Run Module or F5. So what this does is it takes us back into the original Python shell and it runs our script. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.